Hi guys, so I just wanted to take a minute to show you two different ways you can use text to speech. So if you're slow at typing or you just don't like to type, you can use this as an alternative. Okay, this is so you can talk, and as you talk, the words you say will appear on the screen. So to do that, there's two different ways. We can go up here on our toolbar, and where it says Tools, we want to click on that. And then if we scroll down, okay, you'll come to where it says voice typing. If we click on typing, this pops up and it says click to speak. And once we click it, everything we say is going to appear on our screen. So everything I'm saying is going to appear on the screen, period. This is so cool because now I don't have to type, period. Okay, if you notice that you have to say the punctuation. So if you want a period or a question mark, you have to say that. Okay, so that's probably the easiest way to get to text to speech. You can also use this purple puzzle piece here, this Read Write Chrome extension. Everybody should have this installed on their Chromebooks. If you click on that, you get another toolbar that pops up. This icon here where it says type and talk will also do the same thing. Okay, you can click on it and this again pops up, and again it's typing for me as I'm speaking. Okay, so two different ways to access the text to speech tool. Great tool if you don't like to type, and it can help you out with a lot of writing assignments. Okay. Make sure you go back and check your writing after you've said what you needed to say, and check for any grammar or spelling errors. Okay? Hope this helps you.